Hi there, it's Julie with the Edmonton Mennonite Centre for Newcomers, also known as the MCN. Today, I'd like to introduce the second installment in Matt Adolph's discussion about survival jobs. In this episode of the series, Matt is going to talk about why calling them survival jobs when you're actually on the job can damage relationships with those who you work with, and it could cost you some opportunities.
Try not to think of these as survival jobs or call them that. Because you're going to be working in these jobs and you're working alongside people and managers in those positions that have worked up into their managerial jobs. That's their career. And if you were to say, well, this is just a survival job for me, I'm going to get something better somewhere else, or I'm going to move on, or I'm going to go to school, or, I'm not staying here. It's just for money. I mean, if you have that attitude, and you actually might say those things, you're missing the opportunities. All you are thinking about is, my plan is to get to this position, get what I have to do to get the job that I'm trained for. And by doing that, you're not aware that in all these jobs you're doing, in all these circles of people you're meeting with, you are in fact kind of somehow damaging those relationships unknowingly, just because perhaps an attitude you might have, but in fact, there are a lot of people in these different areas that have moved into management in these areas that they're looking to support you too. And if you can build those relationships and you can build those friendships, and look, everybody you work with has family and connections all over the place, So if you are working in a place like Sobeys in the produce department, you build up good relationships with the cashiers, with the managers, with the other staff. They have family members in other industries, and if they get to know you and they appreciate you, they're not going to hide opportunities from you. They're going to say, what's your background? You say, well, actually, I'm in computer science, but I haven't done it for a while. You know what? My so-and-so knows somebody that knows this, because, they say 75% of the job market is hidden. Don't they say that? And where is it hidden? Among the people that talk to each other, And so when you're in those jobs, think positively. Think of possibilities that you can expand. Don't think about just one path only, and this job only serves to pay the bills until I get that path finished. Because if that's your focus, there's a lot of things happening around you in these jobs that are essential. And so I recommend anybody that has these kind of survival jobs, A, don't call them that, B, embrace them, and C, be as positive and open-minded as you can to certain opportunities, because there are a lot.
Well, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed it and found it useful. Until next time, have a great day and stay safe.